Today we're going to replace a broken tile. This is a ultralight tile. They're made out of concrete, and anyway, this one was stepped on and it broke because it was actually sealed with some caulking, but obviously that doesn't work very well and you don't want to. So to do this, you're going to need some gloves. You're going to need some a nail puller, and you're going to need some pry bars. And I'll walk you through all the steps. Also, you will need some caulking. My favorite caulking for this project is a Caulking. It's a polyurethane sealant, mostly used for siding. And we're going to use this to seal the holes. We're going to use this to seal the holes that are left over by the nails, because we're going to have to pull at least one nail, most likely one. Normally there's 2 holes per tile, and but the contractors or roofing guys only use 1 nail. So if you were to look at the tile here, you see there's 2 holes at the top. This is the tile I'll use to replace it. It's just a leftover one spare. And if you notice, these tiles are very thin and very weak. In fact, before I start, let me tell you a little bit about tiles. You do not want to walk in the middle of the tile. See where it's cracked? This is due to someone stepping right about here. You want to step on the lower 2 to 3 inches of the tile, because this is where it is laying flat against the lower tile, which is laying flat on the roof. Any pressure above that will basically be stressing from this point that's flat on the roof to this point that's flat on the tile below, and hence this is why this one cracked. I stepped accidentally in the middle and it's gone. So this shouldn't take more than a few minutes to do. So the first step is to take your pry bar and slide it up underneath the tile above. And you'll take a second pry bar and stick it on the other side. This allows you to pull this one out and then pull the other one out. The other one won't pull out because there's a nail. I'll try and show you. Under here, kind of hard to see. Yeah, you won't be able to see it. But anyway, right over here, there's a nail. So you look underneath, you get your nail puller, and we will pry it underneath the nail and pull it up. And then you'll see how that worked out. Okay, so let me continue. So, like I said, you pry up, and we're going to pry that nail out from underneath. Not very hard to do, but you got to get under there. And so you see the nail, you just take your nail puller, pull it up, pull it all the way up, and then this should slide out. Boom. There's the nail. Tile is out. That'll be thrown away. Take your caulking. This is an old bottle. Anyway, I just take some caulking, put a little bit on my finger. There we go. That's more than enough. Find the nail hole, slide it around, rub it in. You want the caulking to be smooth, but to cover the hole completely. And you can clean your finger off. The new tile, we're not going to nail it in. You can put some caulking right here. Not much, just a small dab. We just don't want the thing to slide out. And then you take this guy here, slide it up. Lift your fingers off on this other tile here. Pull it out. Done. It's in. That's how you change a tile. Real simple, and no water leaks.